There are 5 major components that contribute to the water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, runoff, and infiltration. Evaporation is the process in which liquid water vaporizes and changes phase to a gas. As evaporation occurs, the surrounding air becomes cooler due to the absorption of energy. Most of the Earth's evaporation occurs over the ocean, which in turn helps cool the surface of the Earth and keeps overall surface temperature at living ranges. This process also helps to purify water, which will replenish fresh water after it precipitates. Condensation is the process in which gas condenses into its liquid phase. As condensation occurs, energy is released, which increases the temperature in the surrounding area. This often occurs when leaving out a cold object on a warm day or in the atmosphere. Precipitation is the physical process of liquid or solid water falling from the sky due to gravity. Precipitation comes in many different forms, such as rain, sleet, snow, hail, etc. This precipitation, thanks to the processes of evaporation and condensation, is mostly purified and helps to replenish fresh water supplies on the surface of the Earth. Runoff is the process of water returning to rivers and oceans by flowing over land. A runoff is a race between 2 or more people and does not relate to the water cycle. As the water precipitates, excess water will find its way down hills back to the oceans and rivers, where other parts of the water cycle help it to continue. Overall, the water cycle is the collaboration of processes that transport water in different ways over different timescales that affect global temperatures and help us survive.